Hi everyone, this is Booredfemme, and today I'm showing you the next generation in the Chromecast. So this is some call it the Chromecast 2. So what is it? Okay, if you haven't heard of what the Chromecast is, it's actually really the first, I would say the first of its kind, well, the first Chromecast was, to help you stream from your device, your smartphone or your tablet, right over to your TV. So there are a lot of gadgets out there. Everything is moving to, sort of that method of your entertainment. So this is the latest version and a couple of updates. If you take a look, you can obviously see that it's a fun color. So the Chromecast design has changed. There's actually less memory. It's a little bit heavier, but you're actually getting more, and it comes with a couple fun colors. So it's as simple as this little dongle. The older version looked a little bit more like a flash drive, and that's why this one has less memory, because it really isn't supposed to be used as your storage. But it also has 3 antennae over the previous model. That actually only had 1. So it's, this should be affecting your less buffering, your video quality. So definitely some improvements, and this has got to be a great stocking stuffer. I mean, it's only like $35 or so. So what are you doing with it? Okay, obviously this is a dongle. You're plugging this into the HDMI slot on your TV. So, it's time to upgrade. You need to be connecting some HDMI if you need some quality, obviously. So this plugs into your TV. You plug the power cord into the Chromecast. It's easy as that. So you're plugging into your TV, you are plugging into the power source. What are you doing next? On your phone, you're going to download the Chromecast app. All you have to do is search around for what you're going to use it for. You have how many different apps that are Chromecast ready. You have YouTube, Netflix. I went to CBS Sports, anything that is Chromecast ready. And you don't have to just use it to watch Chromecast. It could be anything that is, you could, go back and forth between using something on your device or the Chromecast. But this little device is actually what you're using to connect whatever apps you have that you want to watch and stream. You're watching it on your TV. So once you plugged everything in, you need to pick a network. So you're going to pick a network on your actual smartphone or tablet. Make sure you establish that. Download the Chromecast app, and then it's going to walk you right through the setup. So we're going to do this in a couple parts. Like, this is what your hardware looks like, and then I'm going to go to the smartphone, take a look at the app, and then on the TV, take a look at the setup on the TV. So I'll be right back. So this is actually what the Chromecast app looks like on your device. I've actually already plugged in the Chromecast to my TV, and you can see that when I did a search, it comes up with a Chromecast, sort of a generic, code at the end naming the Chromecast. You can take a look and see what's on. So these are going to show you, some of the highlights. You can go to Get Apps and find which apps are actually Chromecast apps. Oops, let's go back this way. So you can see you've got quite a few very popular ones like Pandora. You have Netflix, CBS Sports, you have movies, Sling, let's see here, what else do we have? Red Bull TV, I've really never watched that yet. I haven't watched it yet. TuneIn Radio, I use a lot. So of course we've got more sports, and definitely YouTube. That's actually, I think, that's going to be the one I use the most. Oh wait, Just Dance, you never know. Let's see what we'll play with that a little bit later. So when we go to devices, I'm just going to click on Setup. So this is what it looks like from your smartphone. So you're going to click Setup, and it actually found that Chromecast. So go ahead, let's set up. And then you'll see in a little bit, you'll see what it looks like on the TV. So it's connecting to Chromecast. There we go. And actually, if you take a look, I actually am connected to a specific Wi-Fi network. Make sure that you set that ahead of time. Figured out which one you're going to use. And then here we go. So is that the same code that I see on my TV for the Chromecast? Yes, it is. So they're recognizing each other. I see the code, Chromecast. There we go. I'm not going to change the name of the device. There we go. Set Wi-Fi. Let me see, what's the password? This is where I'm entering the Wi-Fi password to my network that I'm already connected to on the device, but this is so that the Chromecast can actually recognize it. Set your network. So this will actually recognize the network. It'll make sure that the Chromecast recognizes it again if you're disconnected, and then connect the hotspot or Wi-Fi network back again. For example, I used a mobile hotspot in this case, and so what if I turn it off? Well, next time I turn it on, it's going to recognize it. You don't have to reconnect. So I actually went to, try again. I'm going to go to, instead of going to some of the other apps, I actually downloaded a CBS app and watched a couple of, sports updates from the week, but this is in particular a DJ battle that I'm going to play. Where is it? Here we go. It's cute. Not battle, but a collaboration. There's YouTube. It's connecting from my phone to zap through Chromecast. Okay. Is it queued up? It's getting there. Opening YouTube. So every once in a while, of course, there's a little bit of a lag while everything is talking to each other. And I'm going to go ahead and hit play. So sometimes it's not all that speedy connecting. YouTube is still opening up. I'm actually going to hit cast to make sure it's popping up on my screen. That would help. Every once in a while I forget. Play it on your device, you can hit the cast button on your app, or vice versa. So you're really controlling whether you're going to watch it from your device or not. Here we go. Just had to appreciate that for a little bit. There you go. So I'm controlling from my device, from my smartphone, controlling my music. I can go over to something else, play something on the phone, and then go ahead and cast it to the TV or stop casting and take a call. So even when I'm playing this video on the Chromecast and controlling from the phone, I can still take a call. You can still do everything else as normal. So that's all you need to do. You're ready to go ahead and use the Chromecast right on your TV, stream whatever your lovely heart desires as long as it's Chromecast ready. That is Booredfemme and signing off.